We work with a lot of clients who expect change to happen overnight, instantly. When we're at school, we have to practice things, we do homework, we have exams. We get into business, and what happens is we've got a 2-day workshop, and they go, why are you not changing? Why have you not changed your patterns that you've had for the last 30 years? We have to keep showing up. So there's one particular client who has used the 5 C's and the scale now for nearly 2 years, and the impact has been massive, but it took 6 months. Because people didn't believe that the people they were talking to really wanted to know how they felt. So they could have, after 3 times, gone, well, there's no point using it, it's not working. It's not working yet, you've got to stick with it. So the first thing is, mean it, don't tick a box. If you're really not going to commit to doing something different, don't do it. It's nothing worse than doing something half-heartedly. Role model it, go first, which I've just talked about. Deliver it with simple, practical tools and frameworks. It is so simple. We like simple stuff. We like practical stuff, we all like that. We don't have to make it super theoretical and complicated to look clever. Make it simple. And keep doing it. Keep showing up. So this particular client, every one-to-one kept showing up with it. And then after 6 months or so, people started sharing very different things. And I love this as a quote, the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is practice. You have to keep doing it. Attention density, change neural pathways, focus long enough, hard enough, and often enough, and things will change, but they don't happen overnight. Am I to time? I usually go over. Yes, I am. Have I got any time for any questions? I have. Any questions? All makes perfect sense. Oh, there's one at the back, there's one behind you.
Hiya. So we work in an engineering company where there's a lot of highly technical people. Sometimes they're talking about heat pumps, and then I got to get up and talk about feelings. How do you find it best to introduce topics around emotion and psychological safety and the difference that makes to engagement and productivity and also the enjoyment that we feel at work?
Yeah. So I think what you just described there, just the way you shared it, was a bit of a quantum leap. They're talking about whatever it was they're talking about, and then you talk about feelings. That's like going, whoa, hang on a minute. You would be, I mean, it doesn't matter. We work with engineers, and we work with ex-military. I work a lot in IT. And they're just not so comfortable with it because it's just newer to them, because it's not what they do. But actually, in our experience, with a group of engineers we worked with in the last 3 months who were freaked out, you know, what is this energy emotion stuff, get me out of here. By lunchtime, we're talking about it. And all we did was have the scale on the table, and we didn't actually get into emotions, we had it there. So we gave permission without going in too hard. So we said, here's the scale, and I want to know where you are on the scale right now. It's like, bugger off, back off. But actually just putting it there, and even if people aren't engaging in it, people will be getting something from it, because we all feel. People pretend they don't feel, but everybody feels. So that would be just don't try and quantum leap it.